Severe weather outlook. Take number 739. I'm just kidding, but it has been quite a few takes because, originally I was trying to do an American accent. It wasn't going so well because apparently I don't have a stable American accent, whatever that means. So we're just going to do this one, and we're just going to wing it. I'll just say, screw it, this is the last one. Doesn't matter if I say a whole bunch of cuss words, they're just, screw it, man, they're going to stay in. And I'm trying to hold my tongue so I don't actually say them. But earthquakes, past 7 days in the US of A. Luther, Oklahoma, that's a new one. We don't see that very often. However, we did see Snyder, Texas, just down below it. And Canada and Puerto Rico, I'm not sure when they got included in the US of A, but here they are now with the, 4.2s and 3.2s and stuff. Here are the national weather hazards. And since I've done the screencast so many times, I've got all these colours memorised, right? Sorry, I keep screwing that up. It's red flag warning, right, which is a fire thing. That's a flash flood watch. I forgot to look that one up. Oh, and it's gone, so it doesn't matter now. That's what you gotta do. It was probably that severe weather statement, or, probably a rip current statement out in the middle, northern Arizona. That makes a lot of sense, right? Red flag warning, dirty, dirty air quality alert. Here is who's going to be getting some rain in the next 5 days, which is apparently not a whole lot of people. 1.5 inches in 5 days. You know what, honestly, I don't really know. I just know that when, a tropical storm comes by, a hurricane is 10 inches. So I assume that 1.5 is not that much. But let me get out my measure. Let's see, I have to back up to see 35 locations and floods. So I think that's actually the lowest I've seen it this season. What with the Missouri River flooding still hanging around. Here's today's severe weather outlook. We've got a slight risk up there in maybe a bit of Minnesota and Wisconsin and Michigan. And here are the specific chance that there's going to be a severe wind. Or is it wind? 5% over in Arizona, again with that. And then 5% over on the East Coast. And here's the chance of Arizona, that's right, won't be getting any ale. No ale for Arizona. 2% chance of a tornado. We love tornadoes, don't we? Or we don't. We love them when they hit fields that have corn and we're like, oh no, don't take the corn, oh please, we've only got silos and silos and silos of other corn that we can use. Anyway, here's tomorrow. Well, apparently up in New York and stuff there's gonna be some happenings, right? And 15%, and then this is tomorrow's outlook map. So apparently Missouri and Arizona again, getting some stuff, maybe. Or at least a 5% chance of them getting some stuff. No tropical cyclones in the eastern Pacific. Whoops. So I already moved along. Disorganized Maria moving slowly westward. So Maria needs to call one of those agencies that come by to your house. They declutter for you and get her shiznit together, right? I don't know. And Maria, who I don't believe has ever been a hurricane, is once again now, it keeps flip-flopping back and forth, where Maria one day is predicted to become a hurricane, the next day not, then the next day yes, then and today no. So, and still not going to hit the United States, except for this crazy bug of a thing that says, hey, it's gonna break drastically left and go hit Florida. Because, let's see, this green one with the circle, I guess the BAMS model is saying we hate Florida, apparently. And this one also, which is apparently BAM, is also showing a crazy left break and says, hey, we hate New Jersey, we're gonna go hang out there. But, I don't know, Wicked Wicks, it's over there. WICKEDWX, or I go Wilco, India, Charlie Kilo Echo Delta Whiskey X-ray. Did I say Wilco? Now I can't remember. I'm pretty sure whiskey is the W. Anyway, you Google NATO phonetic alphabet, and then you'll know what I'm on about with all that stuff. Anyway, take it easy.